Welcome to Fitri. Today we are going to learn about the science behind fasting. Fasting has been used for centuries as a way to promote spiritual and physical health. In recent years, fasting has gained popularity as a tool for weight loss, improved health, and longevity. But what exactly happens to your body when you fast, and what are the benefits? In this video, we'll explore the science behind fasting and delve into its effects on the body. We'll cover the different stages of fasting and the potential benefits, as well as address some of the potential risks and concerns. Weight loss. One of the most well-known benefits of fasting is weight loss. When you fast, you consume fewer calories overall, leading to a calorie deficit and subsequent weight loss. Fasting also lowers insulin levels, which can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it an effective tool for managing type 2 diabetes. Improved heart health. Fasting has been shown to improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing triglycerides, and improving cholesterol levels. Studies have also shown that fasting can lead to a decrease in LDL, bad cholesterol, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to many chronic diseases. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation, which can improve overall health and well-being. By reducing inflammation, fasting can help reduce the risk of diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and autoimmune disorders. Increased autophagy. Autophagy is a cellular process that helps remove damaged or dysfunctional cells, promoting cellular renewal and reducing the risk of diseases such as cancer. Fasting has been linked to increased autophagy, which can help promote cellular health and renewal. Improved brain function. Fasting has been shown to improve brain function, boost cognitive performance, and improve mood. Fasting has also been linked to improved stress management, which can have a positive impact on mental health. Enhanced immune function. Fasting has been shown to enhance immune function by improving the production of white blood cells and reducing inflammation. This can help protect against infections and promote overall immune health. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent type 2 diabetes. By reducing insulin resistance, fasting can also help improve metabolic health. Increased longevity. Some studies suggest that fasting can promote longevity by reducing the risk of age-related diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and heart disease. By promoting cellular health and renewal, fasting can help slow down the aging process. Improved sleep. Fasting has been shown to improve sleep quality and reduce sleep disturbances. This may be due to the regulation of hormones such as melatonin and cortisol. Potential cancer prevention. Fasting has been shown to reduce the risk of cancer by promoting cellular health and renewal and reducing inflammation. Fasting may also improve the effectiveness of cancer treatment by increasing the sensitivity of cancer cells to treatment. Improved skin health. Fasting has been shown to improve skin health by reducing inflammation, increasing collagen production, and promoting cellular renewal. Fasting may also improve skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Improved digestive health. Fasting has been shown to improve digestive health by reducing inflammation, improving gut microbiome diversity, and promoting healthy bowel movements. Fasting may also help with digestive issues such as bloating and constipation. Athletic performance. Fasting has been shown to improve athletic performance by increasing fat utilization for energy and improving oxygen utilization. Fasting may also increase growth hormone levels, which can improve muscle growth and recovery. Reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Fasting has been shown to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by promoting cellular health and renewal and reducing inflammation. Improved blood sugar control. Fasting has been shown to improve blood sugar control by reducing insulin resistance and improving insulin sensitivity. Fasting may also help lower blood sugar levels, which can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. Reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Fasting has been shown to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by improving heart health, reducing inflammation, and promoting healthy cholesterol levels. Increased fat burning. Fasting has been shown to increase fat burning by promoting the breakdown of stored fat for energy. This can lead to significant weight loss and improved metabolic health. Improved hormonal balance. Fasting has been shown to improve hormonal balance by regulating hormones such as insulin, growth hormone, and cortisol. This can have positive effects on weight loss, mood, and overall health. Reduced oxidative stress. Fasting has been shown to reduce oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, fasting may help prevent or mitigate the effects of diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Increased mental clarity and focus. Fasting has been shown to increase mental clarity and focus by improving brain function and reducing inflammation. Fasting may also improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Fitri for more fitness content and tips.